Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your brand on Pinterest with verified domain, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your brand on Pinterest with a verified domain, begin by logging into your Pinterest business account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Look for the settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Claim or Claim Your Website. Click on Claim to begin the domain verification process. You will see several options for verifying your domain. Choose the method that best suits you, typically using an HTML tag or uploading an HTML file to your website. If you select the HTML tag method, copy the provided meta tag. Access your website's HTML code, typically through your content management system or website hosting service. Paste the meta tag in the header section of your website's homepage. If you prefer the HTML file method, download the file provided by Pinterest. Upload this file to the root directory of your web server. After implementing either method, return to the Pinterest settings page. Click on the button that says Verify to initiate the verification process. Pinterest will check for the presence of the tag or file you uploaded. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message. Your verified domain will now appear on your Pinterest profile. This process enhances your brand's credibility and allows you to access additional analytics features. Monitor your verification status regularly to ensure ongoing compliance. Make sure to publish high-quality content to engage your audience effectively. Remember that a verified domain allows you to claim your images, directing traffic back to your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.